Oh, I have 3. And then an evolutions pack. So... Oh, sorry. I meant to say 4. I think I saw 3 on stream. I confused myself. Started collecting, like, obviously with the first editions, with the OG. And then I stopped collecting after Chikorita, which I can't remember if that's Gen 2 or Gen 3. But that's when I stopped collecting. And then obviously, I started like a couple of years ago. Yeah. After Gen 2, then I stopped collecting. Like, you should see the amount of tins that we've collected over the years. It's kind of ridiculous. But it's really fun. So everybody that's watching, what's your favorite Pokemon? I said earlier, mine's Snorlax and Vaporeon. Snorlax because it reminds me of a panda, and that is my favorite animal. And Vaporeon because, I don't know, she's just a bad bitch. Or he. Alright, well, I will start opening. Alright, so first is the Evolutions pack from the Sword and Shield. Okay. So, first we have, I'm gonna go, let's see, Rillaboom. Let's see. I might have to turn my light off. There we go. He's a hollow. Yeah. Oh, and my good old buddy Snorlax. Let's just do this. Let's do this. Okay. Evolution Incense. I'm gonna put my little Snorlax to the side in a separate pile just because I love him so much. I mean, like, honestly, like, I've never seen this picture before. He's so cool. A lucky egg. Alright, these are a bunch of trainer cards. Professor's Research. Marnie? Groki? I have never seen this one before. Oh! Back to back! Alright. No way! Wait. Are you for real? Back to back. Oh! It's evolution! How funny! No way. That's pretty bad. Alright. Interesting. Rillaboom? 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 Oh. Snoom? Oh. 4 more trainers. Nothing good. Besides a great ball, of course. Let's see. The person that made this is... I'm a game freak. Yeah, you are, Drizzy. Pokemon International made this box. Oh my. Alright, this is definitely a thing, because now I have 2 more. And wait. Wait. 2 more. So this is his evolution. And then his evolution. But he's actually kind of cool. Inteleon. He's pretty. I like him, not gonna lie. On to the packs. I'm gonna save Snorlax Max for last. Look at that. Look how cute he is. And then also Lapras, who is one of my favorites. And then of course, Big Dog. Can't wait for him. So Snorlax is gonna be last. I love Lapras. I would choose Lapras over Gyarados. I know that's bold because Gyarados is a dragon type, but whatever. Let's scoot back. 1, 2, 3. I want to guess the energy is lightning. Oh. Not even close. Alright. First, Aurora energy. Ferrothorn, which is Pharaoh Seeds evolution. Crushing Hammer. I'm gonna go fast through the ones. Sizzlepede. Drizzy, what's yours? What's your favorite Pokemon? Yamper. Cute little puppy. Little octopus dude. I haven't seen this one before. Cottony? Little turtle dude. Oh. And then for the reverse holo, Turtanator. Hope you can kind of see the holo there. I know when I told Pooflong that I had like a whole like I literally have a binder. I'll try and a binder full of old Pokemon cards. It's somewhere in this house. I'll have to find it. But alright, moving on to the next pack. Training card. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna say is a do fire. Oh, grass. Alright. Oh! Here's an evil type. Or, it's not evil, but Haunter. Ghastly's evolution. OG. Vitality Band. I don't know what that is. Reboot. A rabbit. Goldeen. Here's an OG. Diglett. Newer one. Skorupi. Oh! Hoot Hoot. Score Bunny. And then for the reverse holo, it is Maracactus. You can see the reverse. Drapion is the rare. I am not too familiar with this one. Yeah, I like the cactus one too. And put him to the side. Alright. On to the Lapras pack. Which I'm excited for. 3, 4. Alright, let's do Dragon. Or Fairy. Water. Alright. Sudowoodo? What is that? Wait, let's see if I can get it to focus. Come on. Nope, it's not wanting to focus. It's like a tree. Oh, there it goes. Trainer card. Hop. Dottler. Don't know that one very well. Kinda looks like a little spider. Wooloo. Yeah. Oh. OG. And then Grokok? I'm not too familiar with this one. Tell me if I'm wrong. If you know who Peppa the Pig is, tell me this does not look like Peppa the Pig! This is a reverse holo. Muna. Looks like Peppa the Pig. Also kind of looks like a really small penis with flowers on it. And for the rare, I have this dude. Crabmarant. I don't know him. Alright. Final pack with Snorlax on it. 3, 4. Alright, I'm gonna say fire. Lightning. Alright, Big Charm. Trainer card is first. The Wacky. Imp from earlier. Trainer card. Octopus guy again. Goldeen, but a new picture. Rosalia, who I really like. She's just cute. Oh, here you go, McCarrick. Ghastly. Pawniard. For the reverse holo, it is a trainer card. Let me see it reverse. And oh, I like this dude. Scentiscorch. That is the rare that I got. It's not a holo or anything, but they make a butter knife into a Pokemon. Yes. Yes. It's actually like an axe combined with a butter knife. But yeah, those are all the cards. So hopefully I should have a better haul for tomorrow. Hopefully they said that they have a box packed away in the back. So I'm gonna go back tomorrow and see if he if it's actually Vivid Voltage or something else. And hopefully it is, but if it's not, then they should have it on Monday, is what he said. So I will start doing this more often because I love Pokemon cards and I'm excited that it's actually a cool thing to do now. So alright guys, I'm probably gonna end up playing some game now. But yeah, thanks for watching.